Oh man, guys, we are back where it all started at. Just a young boy trying to create his dream car with his first car. Let's go back in time. What are you doing, Raven? What? Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Oh. It's about that time. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so it's been a week later. I'm not gonna lie, I got upset. Imperfections just all over the clear coat. The roof came out pretty well. I'm out here supposed to be looking like The Weeknd. And now I just look like a stressed out J. Cole. Oh man, guys, we are back in my garage. First off, I want to say thank you so much to everyone that is still watching this video. I know I've been lingering this reveal video for almost a year now, and some of you guys know that this has not been a great year for me. If you don't know, please check out my last video. But I know it's been long enough, and I have so much content for you guys that I need to show you. So I needed to put this video out. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And to everyone that is still watching this video, thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for the great support. I couldn't continue this without you guys. Let's keep creating.